Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is an all stainless steel, as you can see, 90-degree left-hand turn conveyor. It's made by Kleenline. It is a food grade unit. Comes out of food service. You'll see it also has coated bearings with a polymer coating for washdown duty. The belt you see is 12 inches wide. The pathway traveling through the conveyor bed is 20 inches wide, and that is true for the full length of the conveyor. It's got a 3/4 horsepower Euro drive motor. We're operating right now on 440 volts. It is a dual voltage motor. Let's see if you can see that. We have lots of conveyors, processing, and packaging equipment in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.